Welcome to Leads by Clicks. Today I am starting my YouTube journey. So in this channel you will get to know about latest trends about digital marketing, hacks on how you can build your productivity in the digital marketing domain, and also solutions to various technical troubles you might be facing when you are doing digital marketing. Also, if you are a beginner or an intern, then this channel is for you. Today's video will be a little bit different. It's going to be about a remote or a work from home opportunity. What if I say that you could earn between 3,000 to 5,000 rupees within an hour by sitting in front of your laptop without having any fancy degree? Yes, you heard it right. You can do this without having any prior experience. You can apply for this job. For further details, let's switch to screen mode.
This remote opportunity is about XAI. XAI is an artificial intelligence company founded by Elon Musk in March 2023. Its headquarters is based in San Francisco, California. The company's mission is to understand the universe. Now let's talk about the highlights of this remote job. The official website is x.ai. The job title is AI tutor bilingual. Bilingual means you need to be proficient in 2 languages. The key qualifications are you need to be proficient in English and a native language, research skills, you need to have good excellent communication skills alongside analytical and data handling skills. In terms of working hours, you will have to work under the US time zone for the first 2 weeks during your training session. Then thereafter you can work under your time zone. In terms of pay scale, you will be paid between 35 to 65 USD dollars per hour. That converts to 3,000 to 5,500 rupees. Then there are some additional benefits such as medical insurance and flexible timings. For this job you can work up to 6 months, and for those 6 months only you will be given the medical insurance. So now next let's talk about the step-by-step registration process for this job role. On visiting the official website of x.ai, you need to click on careers under the header. On going to the page, scroll down. You will find the interview process. I advise that you should go through the step-by-step procedure they have mentioned here. You will find the number of rounds for this job role. As you scroll down, you will find the open roles. Under the office section, click on remote. As it's a remote opportunity, you will find the list of roles over here under the human data section. Under the AI tutor bilingual full-time, click on this arrow button. You will be taken to the page which talks about this job role. In this page you will be able to know about the responsibilities, key qualifications, preferred qualifications, and the compensation and benefits that the company is offering. I advise that you should go through each and every pointer, although we have already discussed in the summary pointers, but still it's better that you do not miss anything important. Now let's start filling up the form. First you need to fill your first name, then last name, then your email address and your phone number. Please make sure that your email address and phone number should be your latest one, so that all the updates you receive will be on these contact details only, as you do not want to miss any important detail. Then next is you need to upload a resume and a cover letter. Please note that it should be your latest cover letter and a resume. In case you don't have clarity about how to create a cover letter or resume, I will create a separate video on that and you can follow that. And there are various external sources through which you can create a cover letter and a resume. Next, please indicate your preferred work location. So you need to select the remote area here. Next, are you authorized to work and planning to work from one of the following countries? So here's the list of country. So you need to select the country where you are living in, and if hired, what country you are planning to work from. you need to select, you need to enter the name of the country where you will be working from. And then, do you have professional language proficiency in both English or one of the more languages? So alongside English, you need to select one language over here where you are proficient. Mostly it will be your native language. So select one of the language. And then you need to mention your proficiency level in the language, whether it is C2, C1, C2 or B2. Ideally it should be advanced or native for having better chances of cracking this exam. Then next, tell us about a piece of work that you are most proud about. So in your past, if you have done any excellent or exceptional college project, or was involved in a very crucial project in a company, then you should definitely mention that. Then you can mention your LinkedIn profile. You can enter your website if you have one, and X profile is your Twitter profile. So these are just bonuses. So if you have a good LinkedIn profile, then you will have an edge over the other profiles. If you have a website, then you can showcase what else you are doing, what projects you are handling apart from your daily routine. Now under the next section, under the voluntary self-identification section, mention your gender, and then are you Hispanic or Latino? Hispanic, whether you belong to a Spanish speaking country or Latin America. So select accordingly. Then please identify your race. Then under this drop down you can select your race. After that you need to select your veteran status. As I don't have any clarity about this, I have selected I don't wish to answer. Once you submit application, you will be receiving a mail from the company X.AI, which you can see on your screen now. Thank you for applying to XAI. Your application has been received and we will review it right away. If your application seems like a good fit for the position, we will contact you soon. Regards, XAI. Following this mail, you will receive another email where they write that thank you for your interest in the AI tutor full-time bilingual role with XAI. We wanted to send a quick note to let you know that you will receive an email momentarily from a platform called CodeSignal, which contains instructions for the first step in the interview process, a general assessment. Rest assured that while the assessment is housed in a platform called CodeSignal, it is not a technical or coding assessment. So it's not going to be a coding exam. It's going to be a multiple choice question exam. If you don't see it, please check your spam folder. If it is not in your spam folder, send an email to gray.grok@x.ai. So let's say if you're not receiving these mails, you can check your spam folder, and in case if it's not even in the spam folder, then you can send an email to this email address. And following this mail, I got another email which says that thank you for your interest in the AI tutor full-time role with XAI. As a first step, please complete the exercise below via a platform called CodeSignal. If you have never created a profile with CodeSignal before, please sign up and be sure that the email address you apply to the role with matches the email address you use in CodeSignal. So in order to give the assessment, you need to register on CodeSignal. You need to fill in the details, the same details which you mentioned in the XAI registration, including your email and phone. So once you start on taking the assessment, you will be given 24 hours to complete the exam. So it is recommended that after receiving this assessment link, you should start giving the test and submit the test within 24 to 48 hours of receiving the email. And ideally, when you start the test, it will not take more than 2 hours. On an average, it takes between 60 to 90 minutes to finish the test. So I hope this explanation was clear to you. You should definitely apply for this position. So please immediately visit the official website of X.AI and start applying for this position.
So if you found this video informative, then please leave a like on my video, and for more such content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.